March 29. Andito kami sa Zambales. Actually kahapon kami dumating, pero hindi na ako nakapag-shoot ng video. Nagpahinga na lang kami pagdating namin kahapon. Anyway, today is day 2. Tomorrow kami babalik ng San Pedro. Pero for now, dito muna kami mag-spend ng time sa Get Lost. Pakita ko yung beach, the pool, tsaka yung glamping site namin. Ang laki pa ng property nila dito, and yung iba ongoing pa yung construction. Ito yung gagawin nila, parang events hall tong area na to. Tapos banda doon yung swimming pool. The beach is dahil sa dulo. Ito yung pool. Sobrang ganda. Ayan siya. Kita natin. Diba? Steady. So, yung mga chairs. Ito yung mga tents nila. Dito kami sa tent na to nagstay. Sila Sherwin sa kabila. Tapos meron pang isang nag-occupy. Puntahan natin si Sherwin. Nag-prep siya ng breakfast eh. Ayan. Ayan, chef for the weekend. Ayan, Sherwin.
Hey!
Yeah.
Morning.
Morning. So puntahan natin sila Janine. Maglalakad daw sila sa beach. Sila nila ni Lauren. Ito muna kami. Oh, nawala si Kuya Jacob. Baka nasa beach sila. Sa beach. Hanapin natin sila, Lauren. Huh? Saan kaya sila naglakad? Oh, there. Ang layo pa nila. Watch your steps. Ito yung shore. The beach. Si Sam nandito. There's Lauren and Kuya Jacob. Are you gonna swim on the beach later?
Yeah, after breakfast.
Oh, after breakfast. Breakfast daw is call time ng breakfast is 8 o'clock. So we have about 5 more minutes. There's Mom and Seth.
Good morning.
Breakfast.
Here.
Misa spam.
Dito.
Wala.
Bago ko yung kape mo lulog. Oh, ay, hindi siya maano no. Ito yung mabawang no. May kasama palang
Cheers, Tom.
What the hell?
So cold.
Yeah.
But it's nice.
Yeah.
Where are you going? Where? Here? Okay. Be careful. Okay, after namin mag-swim, biglang umulan. This is it. It's raining. It's raining here. Punta tayo sa kabilang tent. Say hi to everybody. It's raining.
It's raining, I vlog.
Kakatapos lang ng rain. So magbi-beach sila. Well, si Lauren and Seth. I think Dom and also Sam. Babe. Be careful ha.
Hello. We meet again.
Ano? You don't like it na? Why?
So Dobby,
Huh?
wet in my mouth.
You told me you want to swim in the beach.
Konti lang.
Konti lang.
The water went in my mouth. Ow! So salty. It feels cold. Warm, but warm. No. Oh, God. It's recording.
That's the lens. No.
Hello. Hello. Hello, Lauren. Hello, Lauren. Hey, dog. I'm being Hello. It's totally good. What? It's totally good. Dong, do you like the beach? Yeah. You want to hold the camera? Yeah, I'm going to hold. You have to touch me. Give me the camera. Hi, guys. I'm the new videographer. We're watching the whisper.
Day 3, March 30 na. Uwi na kami later. Babel kami ng San Pedro. Nalubat yung camera ko so hindi ko na videoan yung early morning beach walk namin nila Lauren and nila Janine. Sobrang nasunog ang aking katawan. Parang ayoko na mag-swim. Sila nagsiswimming silang. Pauwi na kami in a while. Ito pala yung tsura ng aming place. Yan si Jacob. Nakapaglikpit na. So, okay. So, tingnan natin labas. Ito yung beach. Beach front. The cottage are here. Ayan yung tent namin. There's 3 tents actually. Kubo. And then the beach.
Well, that ends our Zambales trip. We had fun. Till the next video. Bye.
Bye!
Bye.
Oh.